Generative Recolor in Illustrator is an AI feature driven by Adobe Firefly technology. That means you can describe a color palette, mood, or theme in everyday language, and a machine learning model uses that to generate different color schemes for your artwork. You can also use some color presets that are supplied to jumpstart color variations for your projects. My name's Brian Wood. I'm an instructional designer at Adobe, and I want to show you how to use Generative Recolor to experiment with and explore color quickly. With a project open, suppose you want to try different color themes on vector artwork like you see in this poster. Now, I might want to make the color more appropriate for a season like summer or fall, or just maybe make something fresher or even based on brand colors. To start, select your artwork you want to recolor. Then click the Recolor button in the Properties panel. In the Recolor dialog box that opens, show the Generative Recolor options. You can see them here. Now to explore color, you can pick from a preset, you can type in your own text prompt, or even add your own custom colors to guide the prompt. Let's start with one of these presets already here, like Trippy Disco Lights. Click on it and you'll see color variations are made that you can then apply. Let's say these aren't quite right for what you had in mind. You can click Generate to make even more variations to try. And then click one to change the artwork color. Now, what if you have a specific color theme or idea in mind? For this poster, the concert's actually happening around Halloween time, so I want to make the color feel more like Halloween. You can add your own text prompt, like Halloween, and generate new color for the poster. Once again, if you like one of these versions, you can click to update that poster artwork. Don't forget, you can also regenerate to try other options based on that same text prompt. Now that the color is closer to what I want, I might want the colors to pop a bit more, maybe making them a little more saturated or even brighter. If you want to adjust the color in the artwork, click the Recolor option up here in the dialog box. You can see all the colors that are in the poster represented as little circles in this color wheel. If you want to adjust the saturation, for instance, down here, make sure it's selected, and then you can drag the slider. And you can try the brightness right here and drag the same slider. It doesn't matter what you're making, branded content, posters, or really any artwork. Generative Recolor can help you experiment with color faster. Why don't you try practicing on this poster? You can use Generative Recolor to see what you come up with.